Okay, I think we found our next print here. We're going to print this print in place cracker. This is by HoldenPrints, and they uploaded it on February 28th, so not too many days ago. Let's just have a quick little look here. Print in place cracker, easy to print and use. Large tolerance allows these to be printed at a reduced scale. So let's see here. Printer settings, doesn't matter, supports resolution 0.2. Alright, let's give this a try and see what happens. Let's just go ahead and download all the files. And when that's done, we'll open up Repetier Host and get it sliced and put into HoldenPrint. Okay, so I've got it in Repetier Host here. I'm just looking at it and I don't know, did we just try it like that? I don't think they had rafts or anything in it. Let's have a look here. Rafts doesn't matter. Supports, no. Okay, let's go here, go to slicer. Not sure what the infill is, but since we are going to be clanking it, let's bump it up to 50. Change that to 2. I don't know. I don't know, let's see what this does. I'm curious. Well, I'm okay with that. Let's give that a go. I'm going to do it just because the way it is, it's V'd out. So it should be about a 5-hour print. So let's get that on to print. And we'll come back and we'll check it out. Alright, well, first we'll get into HoldenPrint. So we're just getting the print going here. And I will switch over to the time lapse right here. So I wasted a lot of battery there for no reason. So yeah, this is I'm gonna have to get a camera put up on HoldenPrint. Hopefully that'll be better. But I am running low voltage on the Pi, so I'm gonna figure that out first, and then we'll go ahead and get the webcam going on that to get the time lapses that way. Yeah, I think that's what we'll do. Okay, so we got this all done up here. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna clean this up and we'll check it out. Looks pretty silky smooth to me. As you can tell, I failed, so I'm gonna have to reprint this this time without these. So I didn't notice they do have a flat spot on the bottom there, so it should stand up on the full print. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Other than that, it functions nicely too. Well, yeah, anyways, let's print it out again. Okay, so we're gonna put this as brim, and we're not gonna put any support because this will actually lay flat on the bed. So we do not need supports. So yeah, let's try this, and I'm gonna do it 25% less than the previous one. Got to clean this up yet, so I'm gonna go ahead, get it cleaned up, and we'll give it a test run. So if you like this video, hit the like button there, hit that thumbs up, and make sure to hit that subscribe button. We got a lot more builds coming. Yeah, anyways, little clanker here. It was a fun build. I wish I printed out the bigger one. Yeah, no supports needed. But yeah, great print, looks good in the silk yellow. So anyways, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful day, a wonderful week, and we'll see you next time. Take care, eh?